Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Eddie and I are going to have breakfast down by the river, and we're going to have these delicious egg omelets. And you can make them in 10 minutes. Incredibly simple, but you're going to love them. Let us walk you through it. So what I've got here is some bread, and I'm just going to get started by cutting a square out. And you want a fairly hard bread because we're going to put the square back in. Something like this. Next up, I'm going to crack a couple of eggs into a bowl. Add in some salt and some ground black pepper. A handful of red bell peppers, and some mushrooms. You can use what you like, but these are my favorites. And give this a stir. And you can add some garlic, whatever you like, but you know, I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. Okay, now we're going to add some oil to a preheated pan. And this is kind of over medium-high heat, or medium heat should I say. Put the bread in, pour the omelet mixture into the center, put some cheese over the top, and I'm just using a cheddar, but you know, you could use mozzarella, whatever you like. And what we're going to do here is let it cook until it's, I'd say, half set. Pop the bread back on, and we're going to give this a flip over. After a couple of minutes on each side, it's pretty much done, so we're just going to take it out and serve this up. And there you have it, guys, our bread omelet. Super delicious. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. It's a beautiful day, that's why I'm outside here by the river. Absolutely delicious. I would have this for breakfast anytime, guys. You gotta try this. Just love it. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.